to withdraw money from Treasure NFT. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Treasure NFT. To get started, open your Treasure NFT platform and connect your Web3 wallet, usually MetaMask. This is the most instant wallet that you have available. Make sure you've already claimed or earned tokens that are eligible for instant withdrawal. If your tokens are still locked or ending a vesting schedule, you'll have to wait until they're released before you can proceed. Go to the withdrawal section of your dashboard and select the instant withdrawal option if available. Choose the amount you want to withdraw and confirm that it meets the minimum withdrawal requirements. You'll be asked to confirm the transaction through your connected wallet, so make sure you have enough app or magic to pay for gas fees. Once approved, the transaction should be processed immediately or within a few minutes depending on network traffic. Your funds will then appear in your wallet, and from there, you can transfer it to a centralized exchange or another wallet for personal use. And that's how you instantly withdraw money from Treasure NFT.